Hey Lions, last week you nominated for who you think would be best for the Unity Advocacy Award. Now, just as a reminder, each year, nominated students, Southland staff, and community members are awarded the Cottage Grove High School Unity Advocate Award to recognize the effort and attitude that individuals make to our community, making a more equitable space. These individuals should demonstrate key characteristics of advocacy for others. These characteristics could include, but are not limited to, selflessness, kindness, intelligence, courage, honesty, integrity, bravery, and positivity. They should also be inspired by key leaders we have throughout history, like Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, Malala Yousafzai, Gandhi, Susan B. Anthony, and Cesar Chavez. The goal of this award is to recognize equity work in our community and demonstrate to our student body and community our focus and dedication to equity in the school. Now, right now, you're going to be voting for your winners, and the winners will be announced on Friday.
Thank you for voting for the Unity Advocacy Award. The characteristics embodied by these nominees serve as an inspiration for us to work on for more than just 1 week a year. To that end, here's a question. How did the lion become the king of the beasts? They're not the smartest animal. Dolphins and elephants are smarter. They're not the strongest. Gorillas and buffalo are stronger. They're not the fastest. Gazelles and cheetahs are faster. So what is it that makes the lion the king of the beasts? It's their mentality. In this video, we're going to examine the specific traits that allow lions to develop that mentality, that allow lions to roar, that create the conditions to make each person a lion.
Let's talk.
Listen here. It's time to have a little chat.
About something we all have heard before.
About what it means to roar in our community.
No, not actually roar.
But what it means to truly live out our roars.
To have each person a lion.
Yes, that poster that you see hanging in every single classroom at CGHS.
Be respectful.
Staying organized,
being active,
being relentless,
Being safe.
We have all heard these phrases.
But what do they actually mean?
And what do they actually look like?
But wait, I've got a hot take.
These aren't just related to school.
These are life skills.
They are essential life skills that apply to our everyday lives.
So what does it mean to be respectful?
It's about respecting yourself.
It's about respecting others.
Thinking before you speak.
Keeping an open mind.
Not being judgmental.
Taking care of yours and others' property.
Like wiping down the gym equipment after you're done using it.
Being polite to one another.
Speaking up if others around you are being disrespectful.
To be respectful is to treat others how you would want to be treated.
What about being organized?
It's making a schedule.
Keeping up with your schoolwork.
Cleaning your bedroom.
Having your athletic bag packed the night before an away game.
Showing up on time to things.
Having a system to being organized and not just winging it.
To be organized is to make sure you are setting yourself up for success.
What does it look like being active?
Seeking personal growth.
Setting goals.
Personal and professional goals.
Learning inside and outside of classroom.
Asking questions.
Seeing something, saying something, and doing something.
To be active is to be present and advocate for yourself and for others.
What does it look like to be relentless?
To put in your 100% effort.
Even when no one is watching.
It's going against the flow.
Not giving up on yourself or others.
When the going gets tough, you keep going.
When the calls during a game aren't going your way.
You persevere.
You control what you can control and let the results fall into place.
To be relentless is to learn from your struggles and keep trying.
What about to be safe?
It's not indulging in others' bad behavior.
Always trying your best to make the right decisions.
At school, at home, and around the community.
Staying accountable.
Taking time to realize that your actions have repercussions.
To be safe is to make healthy choices and make Cottage Grove High School a place for everyone.
If we are able to do all these 5 things, if we were able to hold each other accountable for those 5 things,
Cottage Grove High School.
Your community.
In your personal life.
Will be better for it.
If you're doing those things.
Each person will be a lion.
each person will be a lion.
I'm Corey Chase, Chief of Police for the Cottage Grove Police Department. Each person a lion.
Dr. Yvonne Curtis, Superintendent. Each person a lion.
I'm Shane May, owner of Emerald Fitness Club and voice of your lions. Each person a lion.
I'm Kevin Harrington, principal of Cottage Grove High School. Each person a lion. We have 2 primary choices in life. We can either accept conditions as they exist, or we can take the responsibility to change them. See, a lot of people want to exempt themselves from taking responsibility. All they want to do is talk about the problem. Every time you see them, they'll tell you their story over and over and over again. No, you want to take responsibility for your life. I got me here, I can get me where I want to go. I might not be impressive right now, but I'm working on something. I'm reading books because I'm working on something. I'm working on something. I'm learning to do things because I'm working on something. I'm in the gym because I'm working on something. I may be giving up certain things like the ball game or the party because I'm working on something. I'm working on me. I'm committing to me. I'm committing to the mentality of a lion. At this time, we're asking students and staff to make a choice. If you choose to commit to taking the step of embodying our roars in your personal life, please step forward at the conclusion of this video and accept a bracelet from your teacher as a reminder of that commitment to be a lion. We ask that those that wear this bracelet do so as a symbol of their commitment to themselves as a lion and as a representative of our pride. Our goal at CJHS is to have each person a lion.